We're gonna replace the battery on these Ford key fob. What you'll do is you're gonna unlock this metal key, and to do that you press and pull this. In the meantime, you're gonna pull with your nail, you're gonna pull this back. Okay, so we're doing that. So that's the metal key. Then we use the metal key to twist it to pull out the back cover, and right here is the battery. Then you can use a small flathead screwdriver to pop out the battery, and then when you insert the new battery, make sure that it goes with the positive side on the back. As you can see here, the positive is on this side. That's the positive. And you take the new battery, you press it in there, then take the back cover, line it up properly, press the case together, and take the metal key and press it in there. That's it.